Here I have Crosscall Core M5, and today I'm going to show you how to insert SIM card and SD card into this device. So for this operation you'll need this kind of tool, which will help you to eject the SIM card and SD card slot, which is located right here. So what you do is you put this tool inside the hole on the slot, slightly press it, and the slot will pop out. So here you should eject your SD card, and here your SIM card. And then back into device, just like this. And as you can see, it immediately requires PIN code to my SIM card, which is the proof that SIM card is detected. Okay, so let's try once again. And to prove you that SD card is also detected, we just go to the upper bar. And you can find notification saying that like issues with SD card, which indicates that SD card is also detected and there's issues with it. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.